Dear children, how are you? I hope that we all are fine and safe. I am also fine. Previously, we all are learned India really features ideas of development and production and employment. Now today, we all are discussing about the lesson Climate of India. What is the name of the lesson? Climate of India. First, we discuss about the climate. What is the climate? The average conditions of temperature, rainfall, humidity, precipitation, weather, togetherness is called a climate. Climate is mostly influenced by the human beings. There's so much variation between climate one place to another place. For example, in India, 2300 degrees north latitude, Tropic of Cancer to divide to equal half the India. The South India located in tropical zone. North India located in temperature zone. So in South India and North India, climatic observation. Here, South India is very hotter than into the North India. Climate and weather both are mostly affected the human life. Climate. It is represented with climographs. What do you mean by climographs? The graphs are represented climate. That graphs are called climographs. The climographs are represented the monthly values of maximum and minimum temperature. This is called a climographs. A person who studied about the climate, he or she called a climatologist. The climatologist daily is given by the weather reports. As in India, weather reports are given by meteorological department, Indian meteorological department. The department every day is given by weather report of India. Weather. The state of atmospheric conditions over the area particular time is refers to weather. What do you mean by weather, children? The state of atmospheric condition over the area in a particular time, it is called a weather. The most important factors influence with the climate, temperature, humidity, rainfall, and atmospheric pressure. Atmospheric pressure is also known as barometric pressure. Why? Atmospheric pressure measured with the barometer. So, atmospheric pressure is also known as barometric pressure. Important factors are influencing the climate. There are the four important factors mostly influence the climate. First one is latitude. Second one is land and water relation. Third one is relief. Fourth one is upper air circulation. These are the most important factors are influence of the climate. Tell me, children, what are the most important factors are influence of the climate? There are four important factors are mostly influence of the climate, latitude, land and water relation, relief, and upper air circulation. These are the four important factors are mostly influence of the climate. Land, latitude. The sun always move one place to another place. The sun travel to take in one latitude to another latitude 4 minutes. So, if you are going to the equator to pole, the temperature may be decrease. If you are move to poles to equator region, temperature may be increased. So, the troughs are very hotter than the poles. Why? Because world may be divided into 4 temperature zones: tropical zone, temperature zone, polar zone, and cold polar zone. So, if you move equator to polewards, temperature may be increased. Why? Because in equator region, sun rays are fall vertically on the earth surface. So here, that means equator region is more hotter than poles. So tropical zone, it is very hot than polar zone. If you are travel polewards to equatorial, the temperature may be increased. So that is the effect of the latitudes. The second one is land and water relation. Land is the good indicator of into the heat. Water bodies are different. Land is quickly heated by the sun's heat, but water bodies are not quickly heated by the sun's heat. For example, coastal areas and interior places, Visakhapatnam and Guntur, to take both places, Visakhapatnam is very colder than the Guntur. Why? Because Visakhapatnam is located nearest the sea coast, but Guntur is located interior part of into the sea coast. That is the reason Visakhapatnam is very colder than into the Guntur. If you are going to the beaches like Peripalam beach, Antrivedi beach, Upada beach, Ramakrishna beach in Visakhapatnam, your feeling is very cool. Why? In the sea, to blow two type of currents, warm ocean currents and cold ocean currents. Warm ocean currents are to reduce the temperature of the nearest of the sea coast, but cold ocean currents are increase the temperature nearest of the sea coast. So the nearest of the sea coast is very colder than into the interior bottom into the earth. Next, third one, that is relief. If you are travel 1000 meters of the ascent to decrease the temperature 6.4 degrees Celsius temperature. That is the effect of the altitude. If you are taken hill stations like Shimla, Mussoorie, Nainital, Ranikhet, Horsley Hills, Kodaikanal, again that places are very cool. Why? Because that places are situated in the top up into the food hills. So, if you are going to the every day 1000 meters of ascent to decrease the temperature 6.4 degrees Celsius, that is the effect of the relief. Tell me children, what are the important factors are mostly influenced in the climate? First one is latitude. Second one is land and water relation. Third one is relief. Now going to the fourth one is upper air circulation. In northern hemisphere, subtropical high pressure belt give rise to the permanent winds. The blow towards the equatorial region, low pressure belt by reflecting towards the west, it is called the trade winds. The trade winds are also mostly influenced the Indian climate. Trade, it is derived from into the German word trade mean tracks. What is the meaning of trade, Amma? Okay, trade mean track. That means have to blow. In India lies the belt of north-east trade winds, mostly influenced the climate of India. The upper air circulation known as jet streams. Tell me children, what do you mean by jet streams? The climate of India affected by the movement of the air currents. It is also known as jet streams. The jet streams are to blow the speed in summer 110 km per hour. In winter, to blow the speed is 184 km per hour. So, the jet streams are also mostly influenced by the Indian climate. Okay, if you are blowing into the jet streams, that place will be have to mostly influence the climate of India. Next, seasons. How are formed the seasons? Have to have two type of movements. Tell me children, how many type of movements of the earth? There are two type of movements of the earth: rotation and revolution. Rotation means the earth revolves around itself in one axis. It is called a rotation. The earth to complete one rotation nearly 24 hours. That means one day. The earth revolves around the sun its own axis. It is also known as revolution. The major efforts of the revolution to form the seasons. The major efforts of the revolution to form the seasons. The cyclic formation of climate, a period of a year, it is called a seasons. Indian climatic seasons may be divided into four types. How many types? Four types. What are they? Hot weather season, cold weather season, southwest monsoon season, and returning monsoon season. Tell me, children, how many climatic seasons in India? There are four climatic seasons of India. What are they? Hot weather season, that means summer season. Cold weather season, that means winter season. The rainy season divided into the two parts, southwest monsoons and returning monsoons. These are the seasons of the India.